This is what goes on behind the scenes of a really big fireworks show.
Okay, last check.
We've got all our canisters in place. They're loading the arsenal right now. All the shells are going in. This entire deck here will become central for our great fireworks show.
I enjoy doing it for the, celebrating our freedom, and to see the smiles on the kids, and I know the city of Charlotte will hopefully enjoy it tonight too.
There are a number of shows on July 4th, so we thought, well, let's do it on July 3rd. We really wanted to highlight the fact that this was the kickoff of our CLT 250 celebration, a year-long celebration of the anniversary of Charlotte, 250th anniversary.
They have purchased a whole lot of fireworks and went them all up in the air in 16 minutes and 30 seconds, so it's going to be quite a show.
Shows that are taking place in Uptown use a 2 to 3 inch shell, whereas we're here in 5-6 inch shells. That's 100 feet for every inch of a shell. So we are really filling the sky with magic.
Yeah, it's intense. It'll be pretty intense, and in the finale, pretty much majority of the pods will be firing that you see up here, so it'll be kind of intense.